Hi there, students. A figment, a countable noun. Normally a figment of somebody's mind, a figment of somebody's imagination. So a figment is something that seems real, but it's not. Yeah, it's something that is just imagined. Did I hear a voice, or was that just a figment of my imagination? Um, maybe I'm paranoid, or maybe it's a figment of my imagination, but I think that somebody is following me. So a figment is something that somebody believes is real, but in fact only exists in their imagination. Yeah, let's see, we all have figments, things that we make up, that we contrive, that are imaginary. Yeah, I guess if you have a nightmare, this is a figment of your mind. It can seem real, but it's only a figment of your mind. Yeah, okay, so it's something that's not real. It's something that you think is real, something that's in your imagination, but in fact, you're just imagining it. Yeah? I know somebody's stealing from me because I have less money than I had. It's not just a figment of my imagination. It's not a figment of my mind. Yeah? It's not something that I've just imagined. Okay, so a figment. Yeah, this is something that you imagine, something that you make up. So let's see, we all have figments of our imagination and figments of our mind, but does this mean we're mad? I think probably not. I think it's normal to have figments of the mind, fantasies, inventions, something that you make up. But if you start to get worried or paranoid or upset by this, or this is something that happens very often, then this is starting to go towards craziness. Yeah, because it's something that's just made up. It's just an idea. Yeah, the story that I told is just a figment of my imagination. So there's no reason to actually be afraid. Yeah, but it's like they say, the only thing to fear is fear itself. And yeah, if you can fear a figment, yeah, it's a product of your mental imagination. Yeah, it's some made up story. I was convinced that the dream was true, but it was just a figment of my imagination. Or have you ever had this lucid dreaming where you think you're awake, yeah, and the dream, but you're not, you're actually in a dream, and you're convinced that you're not sleeping. Or maybe you wake up during your dream, or you dream that you wake up, but you're still in a figment of your mind. Yeah, so a figment, it's a dream, a daydream, a fantasy, an illusion. Yeah, something that's not real. It's something that's just a figment of your mind. Yeah, he believes that his team are the best team in the world, but sadly it's just a figment of his mind. It's a figment of the imagination. Yeah, so it's something that's made up, something that's not real. Yeah, maybe politicians try to convince us that figments of their imagination are in fact real. Yeah, but notice this phrase, a figment, normally with a figment of the mind, a figment of the imagination. Yeah, it's an invention, a concoction, almost like a hallucination. Okay, so a figment of my mind. Formality. I I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 to 6. Use it anywhere, but it's a touch on the formal side. And then as to origin, it comes from figmentum in Latin, or fingere, to form, to contrive, to make up. To invent, figmentum, anything made up, a fiction, fingo, to form, to make. Yeah, like fiction and feign, all of these words come from it as well. So, yeah, is your English improving, or is it just a figment of your imagination? If you've been watching my videos regularly, it's not a figment of your imagination, it's something real. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Figment. A figment of the imagination.